Hi, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you 10 strategy that you can apply as a small content creator. Okay, so let's jump into the topic. The number one step is you have to start your YouTube channel. Just start your channel. So don't overthinking. Choose 5 to 10 niches. So if you don't understand what is niches, it's like a category that you're interested in. Like I'm interested in tech, fitness, entertainment. Okay, so you can choose this kind of niches, that's been categories you are interested. Okay, esports, film industry, and other like fitness or any kind of and tech industry, AI tools you can choose. Okay, and you can, and step number 3, do the research. That means you have to research keyword on the topic. Like you are choosing fitness industry, and then you have to research on fitness. Fitness is the main category. You will find a lots of subcategories under the fitness. So you have to find the keyword. Make a list of 33 videos at least. Just create a Google spreadsheet and just make a list. Also, you can use ChatGPT to find your video ideas. That's amazing. Videos yourself, or you can hire someone else. Okay, so you can go for Fiverr, Upwork, different kind of freelancing marketplace, and then send them your topic and they can create your videos. Also you can so first thing, I think you should create some videos for yourself. Okay, so that you can understand and you can more easier with the camera framework. Okay, I think you got it. Evaluate the statistics. That means you have to analyze the YouTube studio. That's mean YouTube analytics. You have to follow each and every steps, what's going on, ups and down, views, impressions. You have to understand that. So replace the bad thumbnail. Okay, so first of all, create thumbnail yourself using Canva or other tools. But if you want to create eye-catchy thumbnail, you have to use Photoshop. And if you know, you can do. But if you don't know, so you can hire someone else like Fiverr up, or you will find the YouTube thumbnail designer. They will design eye-catchy thumbnail, and that will attract your audience and viewers. Okay, so just replace the bad thumbnail. You are starting almost 1 month or 20 days, and just follow the best videos. That's mean if you already uploaded 20 videos or 10 videos, just find the best videos that already get most views. Okay, so you can find this video and just create another video on that topic. I think you got it. That means to find the best video and create the same topic. Okay, do different something. Like last not the least, you can repeat this process. Okay, just note it down these steps, 10 steps, and just follow this and practice and repeat these steps. I think within 90 days you can get the results. Okay, so in 2025 you don't have to spend time to watch these videos how we can start YouTube channel or YouTube money. Okay, making money, or how we can make money on YouTube. So this is the perfect time. Next couple of months like November, December, it's running October also. So you can just make a schedule and just follow these 10 steps and just create and record and upload and comment below. Okay, I will really happy to support you if you have any queries, and I want you to make videos and I want you to publish on YouTube, so that I can guess you are making videos, so I can check your channel. Okay, so if you have any queries, please comment below, and don't forget to subscribe if you find this video is helpful. So see you in the next video.